Hi, it's Roger from Gospel Boat. Today we have this 11.6 meter passenger boat. You can see the boat behind of me. It's really a big one. The maximum size can be loaded on the 40-foot flat rack, and it can be take 40 to 45 passengers on the individual seats. So now let's have a look the interior of this boat. So now I'm on the front of the boat. You can see this very special design passenger boat with this very sharp entry on the boat. So this mix when you have the rough water on the oceans, when you are offshore, this one makes very good cutting into the waves. And the whole boat with these twin entries, we call it the Expo, which is makes very good performance. And then you see it's really a very deep way. It's for the ocean purpose. So this is quite good design. Many customers like this design. And also another very important feature is we have this wrap. So when you have the island hopping and transportation between the islands, this one is very good. So now let's see how it works. We have this rubber fender as well for protect this whole wrap painting work. And then we have this the winch, the hand winch for the release of this door. And then we have this foldable wrap. So this is retractable and easy entrance for the like motorcycle, bikes, and the cargo loading. On the side, it's all painted with this orange color, very bright. Then we have the channel for the rubber fenders all around, and it's for the deck self-draining for the front. And we have designed it with double tines. Now we have the transom plate, which is designed for installation the outboard motors. It's good for installation 2 outboard motors or 4 units. Depends on the speed requirements. We have the anoid. We have the trailer hook. And now let's step inside of the boat to see the interior of this boat. So on the right hand side we have this toilet room. We have the toilet, and it's with sliding windows. And then we have the sink. There will be installation to sink. And on the left hand we have the stairway to the upper deck. So this is a very good features of this one. So the passenger can go top for the sightseeing. Then for the interior we have all this heavy duty plastic passenger seat, which is good for 40 to 45. And it's good with armrest and the M175 mm. So it's good backrest and the arm. And the height is quite big. I think about 2.5 or 2.3 meters. So no any pressure when sitting inside. And we have all sides with sliding windows. This makes very good air ventilations. So you see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows with 6 for one row. So it's 36 passengers on the main deck. And we have also the front of the boat with spacious space with a cabin door. It's good for the luggage and some light cargo put here when you go to the island, and it's a very nice. And we have the inspection hatch, watertight, and we have the side door on each side is also watertight. These are all very good functions. Then this is a wrap door. I've been showing you at the very beginning of this video. So this one, which can be easily handled by one people. And we have also this safety chain. We have put later for safety in case of the falling accidentally by this wrap.
7:35 at night, road trip down to the
As a tourist operation boat for chartering, this second deck is very important. We will be put the warehouse here. You see we have the warehouse there, which is ready. Okay, it's enclosed one. We put here, and on the side will be all the readings, and on the front we have 4 rows of passenger seat, which is same material with heavy duty one. So the people can sit here or do any sightseeing of the boat. So this makes a very high-paced experience for the people on board this van. Now let's see the cabin warehouse of this passenger boat. We have a very big dashboard. It's all fitted with 6-star hydraulic steerings and VHF, all the gauges, and also with installation other screen for the electronics on these positions. We have compass, so everything is ready for the final fitting of this nice craft. So this is the details about this boat. Any questions? Please send me the message, and hopefully we can make some cooperation in the future. Thank you. Bye bye.